Hey guys, hi, Akash Sharma here from Traders Guide Live. Right, we have come up with a new indicator named AL Tech. Right, this is the indicator setup. I use mainly two indicators. One is AL Tech main indicator, and for supportive indicator, I use ADX for sideways and trend confirmation, whether this trade is perfect or not, whether trade is having a sideways, I can say range bound market. To catch the range bound market, I mainly use the ATX, right? It's a modified indicator, right, that I'm using. So let's go to the chart. Let me tell you each and every step how to use a specific indicator, how you can get the access. So firstly, like if you are new to the trading view, right, so just let me remove this everything. Once you log into the trading view, you will find this chart, right? This is the Nifty 5 minute chart. You can use my indicators on any time frame, any, I can say, markets you can use for crypto, forex, commodity. Each and every market you can work my indicators with. Okay, there is no any specific time frame bar or like works only 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can use in any market, right? We'll discuss each and everything, how to select the username. Let's discuss what's that. So you can see here, you can find my username. Yes, like once you go to the menu section, you can find here TG Booster. This is my username. Your username will be some different. You can check on your screen, or mobile. Once you go for a once you go to the menu section, you'll find the username, right? That will be a username that you need to share with me to get your indicator access. On basis of that only I can provide you the access. Okay, so this is my username, TG Booster. You can share it. I hope you understand how to find the username. Okay, now let's go to the index section, indicator section, right? After giving access, you will find my indicators over here, invite only script section. There are two indicators which I already discussed. One is AL Tech and second is ADX 2.0. These are the two indicators which I use for this specific indicator setup, right? You can see these are the setup, right? Here you can see buy, sell signals, support, resistance zones will be there, right? Above our resistance and below our support, resistance. Auto trade lines has also inbuilt, right? And you can see that there are three trends line. You can see this is also showing you the trend. This is also showing you the moving average trend. This is also showing you the trend, right? Why there are three trends? Reason behind this is triple confirmation, and I use even ADX for fourth confirmation. Fourth confirmation is more than enough to go for a short trades, guys. Okay, this is based on price action and indicator combination, like I have made, right, this strategy. So now let's discuss how to enter a specific trade and how to where to keep the stop loss, how you can keep the targets, right? So let's see that. You can see I have already hide some of the, just a second guys, sorry guys, please ignore the background sound as I was recording another video. It has just published. Fine, no worries. Ignore that. Let's get into the chart. You can see I've had some of the targets which I already plotted, where to keep target, where how you can before that, let me tell you a few settings which I use in ADX, which I use is default. You can see, you will find these settings, default settings. You have to go to the style section. You can see these two colors, right? This color, you have to convert it into purple. I mean, this color one, you have to change the color it into purple, and this color two into purple, right? Why this indicate means purple color will show you on the chart that indicates you consolidation market, right? Sideways market. So in that duration, you do not have to enter in any specific trades, right? I hope you understand consolidation market, sideways market, right? Range bound market, I mean, right? So when to enter, where to keep the stop loss, where to keep the target. Let's discuss one by one. Let's discuss with the buy signal. You can see the arrow you got here at the buy signal. You have to enter on the next candle, or you can enter on the same candle, right? Here you can see I have plotted risk to reward ratio point, right? Where will be a stop loss? The stop loss will be this lighter line. You can see this will be a stop loss. Lighter line will be a stop loss, right? What will be a target? Target you can set like once you get the confirmation with the ADX. ADX in this you have to look for right? This green line should be above the 20 line. That will be a confirmation for buy, right? In this, you'll get a buy confirmation, and you have to carry forward your trail till the histogram do not make lower low. Once it make the lower low, you have to exit for the specific trade. You can see here I have made the risk to reward ratio is 0.32. Let's go with the next setup. You are in the buy trade and you have missed that trade actually due to gap up or something, right? So if you want to make a re-entry, how you can make, so you have to wait for the retest. You can see here the candle has already retested, and next confirmation candle you have to enter, right? I've made entry from even third candle, right? Here you can see even ADX is also confirmation, giving the confirmation for buy trend, right? So you have to entry for a specific trade and you have to continue till the lower low. You can see here the lower low has set. You have to exit here, right? This will be our exit point where you have to keep a stop loss. As I told you, lighter line will be a stop loss, right? This will be a stop loss. Similar condition will be for sell. You can see here it's Nifty 50 chart, right? So market has opened very gap down, so do not entry in specific trades, like, right? So here you have to wait for the retest zone to make the re-entry. You can make entry re-entry over here or here. Here I already tested, right? You can see you have to keep your stop loss on this lighter line. Lighter line will be a stop loss. Your target will be here. Once the histogram makes its lower low, that will be a target. Else you can book your profit over in this support zones, these two support zones, right? If you are not a a price action trader. Okay, fine. So these are the buy and sell conditions. This I already told you. This is the consolidation zone. So do not, if you get any signal in this consolidation zone, please ignore that signals, right? How you can confirm the consolidation zone? Here in ADX, there is a 20 center line. This gray color, you can see the 20 center line, right? In this center line, you have to, once you see this small histogram, lighter color histograms, I can say light green and light red, right? Once you see this histogram below 20, there will be a mainly a consolidation zone, sideways market, so do not enter in specific trade. I'm reconfirming. Okay, now let's go for a sell signal. You can see here sell signal. You have to look for this ADX. This red line should be above the 20 line and green line should be above below the 20 line, right? The sell signal has been confirmed during that time, right? So here you can see why you have not make the position over here. Let me reconfirm, because you can see red and green line is going parallel. If the red and green line is above 20 or below 20, that indicates a sideways market, and even the red line and green line moves together in between the 20 line, right? 22, even 22 or below 19. That range creates the range bound market for the ADX as a confirmation. I'm saying you can see here these are the means going in a parallel and nearby, so that indicates you the sideways market, right? And you'll see here the purple line as well, that indicates you the means sideways market. Do not entry in that specific zone. You can see here as well, right? So this is the sell confirmation. Let's go back. Here you can see you got a buy signal, very perfect trade. You have to enter for specific trade, right? Here you have, it's I can say gap up, gap down scenario, right? You have to wait for the gap up market open. Once the market open, you have to wait for the lower low. Else, once there is a scenario of market gap up or gap down, I mainly recommend, if the market opens in a darker green zone or if the market opens in the darker red zone, either gap up or the gap down, and if you are already taken the trade earlier, you have to exit the specific zones. Like once the candle get darker, you have to enter this, I mean exit the specific trade. You can see the risk reward ratio you are getting in this specific trade. This will be a stop loss, this lighter line. This will be a stop loss, this will be a target, right? Target you are getting 2 is to 14, right? Here we have already made a re-entry, as the means market candle has retested your support zone, so we can, and also given the confirmation, so we can enter in specific trade. Target will be, as I told, lower histogram. You can exit the trade, and your stop loss will be over here, right? So we have practiced almost very many trades. So you can also practice from your end once you purchase an indicator, right? And still, if you have any confusion, you can find my number in the this scrolling bar. You can call me anytime if you have any confusion. Here you can see the risk reward ratio 3.34, right? Stop loss will be here above lighter line, right? And target, as I told, histogram, once the histogram make its lower low, this will be a target. So you can exit the specific trade over there. Here you got a buy signal. You can enter from the same candle as well, right? You get confirmation of EDX as well. So once you get a lower low histogram, you can exit your trade, right? This you get 1 is to 22. Here you get a 2 is to 89, right? You can see here you got a signal. You enter a specific signal. There is no retest over here. Even you can continue the trade or you can exit. Depends on your risk to reward ratio. Okay. So here you can see the consolidation zone, right? As I already told you about the consolidation zone, do not enter in any consolidation zone target. Mostly you will be in loss, right? So I won't recommend at the end. It's your decision. You have to enter. You can take your risky decision, right? Why? It's very shorter range. It's very difficult to entry and exit. So I mainly do not recommend in this purple. When you find any purple candle and any signal, please ignore that signal. That will be a consolidation zone. You can see here below in the ADX as well, right? So here the sell signal has confirmed over here, right? So once you, here you can see the retest and it has opened gap down, right? Gap down. So here you didn't get any confirmation. So this is the not a perfect trade, right? Let's see here. It's here all the confirmation are matching. All you can enter from the next candle or even same candle. EDX has also given you the confirmation. Let me go for a short position. You are making a short position here. What will be a target? Lower low, lower low. You can target here. This will be a target. What will be a stop loss? The red line will be a stop loss. Here you can see red line is very nearby. So you can make a stop loss over last high, right? Last high will be a stop loss. You can see this is the perfect trade. Risk to reward ratio you got 2.73. Again the market has retested. You can make a reposition over here, right? From next candle again you can see you have to make the reposition here, and your stop loss will be this red line. Red lighter line will be a stop loss. Your target will be the lower histogram, right? This will be a lower histogram. This will be a target, right? So you can see here you got a risk to ratio is 2, right? You can see each and every trade is getting multiple confirmation, guys, right? So in this purple zone, do not trade in this purple zone. So I hope this indicator is clear to you. Do not trade in a means sideways market. Trending market you will get very good trades. Trend you can find through the ADX as my supporting indicator, and here you get a triple confirmation, right? On my chart you can see the data. Let me this you can see the consolidation market. Yesterday was the consolidation market. Possibility of market will be very low. It will mostly open a gap down, right? So if you are in the trade, once you find market gap down and darker red candles, just exit the trade, right? Book your profit if you are in the trade. Okay, so I hope this indicator is clear to you and you have understood each and everything, how to enter the specific trade, how to book your profit, where to set a stop loss, everything, right? So once you have still any confusion, you can find my number in this below scrolling text. You can call me anytime. Whether you are an Indian user, whether you are an international user, you can call me anytime. This is my direct number. Okay. And regarding the, you can ask me for the price. If you have any confusion in specific indicator, right? You need a live market demo. You can call as well, right? Right, so mainly I prefer this is the demo videos only, right? So I've covered all the points, how to enter, how to exit, how to keep the stop loss, how to keep your target. It's manual indicator, yes, but if you follow this all the conditions, you can make your accuracy maximum more than 85 to 90% accuracy you can take, right? So I believe in perfect trading, easy to go trading, right? And with short entries, right? So you can see here I have explained each and everything. what you will get after sales. Once you buy my indicator, you will get end-to-end support from my end. Future modifications, you will be getting whatever I modify in this indicator, you will getting it online itself, as I'm providing you indicator as a lifetime access, right? And through the invite only script option, so you will get lifetime access to this indicator once you purchase. Future updates you will be getting, right? Uh, Still, if you have any doubts, any confusion, any recommendation, if you are having, say, to add in specific indicator, I'll be here, you guide you everything, right? So don't worry for that. So I hope this specific indicator explanation is, you know, it's good for you, right? Everything doubts will be clear to you. Still you have any doubts, contact me anytime, right? I'm here to guide you only, right? I'm not that fluent in English, but yes, I'm trying my level best, right, to explain Indian user as well as international user. So fine. If you are new user, just subscribe to my channel, right? Hit a like button, and share with your friends, those who are new to the, market, those who are experienced trader, to use my indicator, right? And if you want to purchase my indicator, you can contact on my direct number, which is you'll find in the scrolling text here. Okay, fine. So thanks for your time, thanks for watching this full video and giving me a support, right? Thank you, thanks a lot, thank you guys.